Hi, I'm back to show you what they have at Burlington for Halloween 2025. This is just the beginning of it. Looks like Burlington's doing that pink Halloween thing too. This candelabra looks pretty detailed. And I see some Hello Kitty and Disney. Spotted an Oogie Boogie greeter. And these are really cool Halloween Care Bears. And more of the pink Halloween for your bathroom. I love this Snoopy shower curtain. And here's some more shower curtains for Halloween. A cute Mickey pumpkin and blanket. Mickey and Minnie ghost pillows. Even has Stitch as a pillow. And that's the very beginning of what they have at Burlington. Check back. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Bye. My cat would like you to please subscribe.